When building an AO, we like to do things fast and efficiently. Welcome to the AO Cookbook. My name is Patrick Skinner, and today I'm going to show you how to quickly deploy a token using the token blueprint inside of AO. Let's get into the machine. All right, we're going to start our AOS process now simply by typing in AOS, and I like to name my AOS processes based on the tutorial, so I'm doing a blueprint token. So I'm just going to call this blue token. All right, my process is started, and here is my process ID. Perfect. So the next thing I need to do is use the blueprint token. Now, there are two methods of setting up your own token in AOS. You can use the blueprint, or you can go the manual way. If you want to use the manual way, where you want to probably manipulate the total balance or anything like that, then there is a guide in the AO Cookbook under guides called Build a Token. So just head over to cookbook_ao.arweave.dev, and you can find that there. But we're going to use the blueprint this time. So I'm going to type in .load-blueprint space token. Perfect, that returns undefined. So now I can just type in handlers to see the handlers that it actually loaded. And I'm gonna have, up at the top, I'm gonna have my two default handlers, eval and default. And then I'm gonna have my info, balance, balances, transfer, mint, and total supply. These handlers are all associated to the token that I just loaded up. So from here, I can look up the information. This is pretty simple. It's going to show me ticker information and the name, logo information, that kind of stuff. The balance is going to show me my total balance within this specific process ID. Balance is not only going to show my balance, but going to show all of the other process IDs that have balance with this specific token. And then transfer is going to be for transferring token to other process IDs. Mint is to mint more token, and then total supply is to show your total supply. Okay, so just to show you a little bit, I think the easiest one to go with is to show you how balances work. So I'm going to type in target equals AO.ID. Anytime I use AO.ID, that's basically calling my process ID. And then I'm going to say action equals balance. Perfect. So I see my balance here. I got a cajillion. I'm not sure. I'm not going to count the numbers there, but I have quite a bit. And so from here, I can actually take that balance and be able to transfer it to another person or to a certain amount. So let's go ahead and see what that looks like. So I want to say send target AO.ID action equals transfer. Now I'm going to have a person to transfer to. How am I going to transfer that? So I say recipient equals, and in this case, because this part of the tutorial is for the begin tutorial, I'm just going to say Trinity. Now Trinity is probably a process ID that I've already loaded up. In this case, I haven't, so I'm not going to hit enter on this because I'll get an error. But in this case, I just want to show you, like, this is representing another process ID, and then I'm going to give a quantity. Quantity is important. And then I'm going to say, there we go. And that's the evaluation of like 500 cred almost. Okay. And then that's what your script will look like when transferring token to somebody else. Excellent. So now you know all the basics about how to load a token and use that token using the token blueprint. And that's it. Deploying a token in AO is super easy. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. And if you have any questions, feel free to head over to the AO Discord to get the help you need. Until next time, I'll see you in the machine.